What's the meaning of actinium? Actinium. 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 Actinium is a chemical element with the symbol Ac and atomic number 89. It is a radioactive metal that was discovered in 1899. Actinium has no significant commercial uses, but it has important applications in nuclear physics and medicine. One of its isotopes, actinium-225, has been used to develop promising cancer treatments. Actinium also has potential uses in nuclear batteries and as a source of neutrons for industrial processes. Despite its potential benefits, actinium is highly radioactive and poses health risks to those who handle it. So strict safety measures must be taken when working with it.